Are you struggling with slow performance while trying to hot encode a large categorical column? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the issue of pd.getDummies running slowly on large datasets and how to tackle it. I completely understand your frustration. Waiting for a process to finish for hours can feel like watching paint dry. Many users face similar challenges when dealing with large datasets, especially with numerous unique levels. Let's look at your specific situation. You mentioned that you are trying to hot encode a categorical column with over 27,000 unique levels across 2 datasets. That's a lot of data. You combined the levels before using pd.getDummies, but it's still taking an incredibly long time. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's happening here? When you have such a large number of unique levels, pd.getDummies can struggle to process everything efficiently. This can lead to long processing times, especially with millions of rows in your datasets. Stay with me. I'll share some tips at the end that could significantly speed up your hot encoding process. You won't want to miss these. To improve the performance of the hot encoding process, the user should consider using the category data type more effectively. This can help reduce memory usage and speed up the encoding. Next, the user should check if they really need to combine the unique categories from both datasets. If the categories are not overlapping significantly, it might be more efficient to encode them separately. Additionally, the user can try using the pd.getDummies function with the drop first parameter. This can help reduce the number of dummy variables created, which may speed up the process. Lastly, the user should consider using sparse matrices if they are not already. This can significantly reduce memory usage when dealing with a large number of levels. Fun fact, did you know that the term dummy variable comes from statistics? It's a way to represent categorical data numerically. But when it comes to large datasets, it can feel anything but dummy. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests that the pd.getDummies function may not fully utilize sparsity for large datasets. The user proposes constructing a sparse matrix directly, which could be faster. They provide a code snippet that creates a sparse matrix for one hot encoding, using unique values from the column to be encoded. The user also notes that they were able to vectorize the encoding process, which can significantly improve performance. They mention that if you don't need a data frame-like object, you can save time by avoiding the construction of a sparse data frame. Here's a pro tip. Always analyze your data first. Understanding the distribution of your categories can help you make informed decisions about how to encode them efficiently. And there you have it. With these strategies, you should see an improvement in your hot encoding times. Remember, optimizing your data can save you hours of frustration. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.